Welcome to thetechnologycloset.com and our quick shots. In this quick shot, we're going to show you how you can display the MAC address of all your Ethernet adapters in your computer in Windows 8. Now, the MAC is an acronym for Media Access Control Address. We've included a Wikipedia connection link so that you can get a further understanding of that. Basically, it is a unique identifier of every communication device in your computer to a network. First, let's open up our desktop. From the desktop, we need to open up the command prompt as admin. Windows key, please, and X. Select Command Prompt Admin. Yes to the user account. Now what we're going to do is we're going to type in a command and show you how we can get that MAC address of the primary Ethernet adapter to our computer. To do that, we're going to use the ipconfig, C-O-N-F-I-G, command. But before we use the command, we have to give it a switch, a parameter. Let me list all of the parameters that come with this command. Just simply put a space followed by a / and the question mark. When you hit the enter key, you will see all of these particular switches. Now don't be too confused with this. We're not going to be using all of these switches. We're only going to be using one. So let me scroll up and let me retype that command. And this time we're going to put a /ALL for all. When I hit the enter key, watch what happens. It lists the host name and the very first Ethernet adapter. Underneath that is some information. One of the information that we're interested in is the physical address. If you go off to the right, you'll see this strange, unique number and letter combination. This is the media control address. Now that we have it, that can be useful if you wish to do other things in the future, such as spoofing this address. And we'll discuss that in a later quick shot. Now that you've seen how to get it here, there is a second way, and it's a little bit easier. But you also have to know that there may be more than one adapter in your computer, and this is the way you really want to go to see that. But if you want to get it very quickly, you just type the command get MAC. Again, this is a command with switches, so let me demonstrate the switches. / and question mark. And there are our switches. The only switch we're concerned about is the command itself. So we type get MAC and hit the enter key. Now that gives us the physical address, again, of the device, in this case our Ethernet adapter. If you needed for troubleshooting purposes to know who the manufacturer is and what the model number is of this Ethernet card, you just simply use one of the switches. Let me just demonstrate that. Get MAC space / and the letter V, standing for verbose. Now when I hit enter, I get the same information, except it starts out with Ethernet, gives me the name of the manufacturer, in this case Intel, followed by the manufacturer's model number, and then our MAC address. Well, that's it for this quick shot. You've now determined how you can get the MAC address of your Ethernet adapters. Please visit our website at thetechnologycloset.com, and while you're there, make a selection to visit our YouTube channel. Until next time.